ito yung very interested to try ako. But at the end of the day, it's the food na magpapabalik sa akin dito. It's a beautiful day today, and for today, we'll be enjoying Korean street food. Not in the streets of Korea, but in a train station in Malvar, Batangas. Come join me today. Let's go. Okay, it's not a train station, but it sure looks like it with the railroad and the train. So we're at Busan PH Malvar Station, Malvar branch, the first Korean food train in Malvar, Batangas. So alfresco dining underneath the shade of the trees, tapos nagkataon niya malamig ang panahon. Good day for Korean street food. And this is their menu. Really excited to try them all. And I'm seeing a lot of Korean street food favorites like tteokbokki, odang. I'm also seeing grilled mandu and mga gimbap. Tapos hindi naman sila puro snacks lang. They have bulgogi, kimchi fried rice, bibimbap, ramyun, and mga samgyupsal sets. And ganito yung setup nila. What you normally see sa mga Korean street food, ganun talaga. Yan. Tapos yan, hard at work na sila. So niluluto dito sa harap mo. Again, street food vibes. Ang naiisip ko dito yung train to Busan. Fortunately, wala naman dito mga crazy zombies. But sure gonna be a Korean craze fest. This is the cheesy ramyun. Ayan. Looks really comforting with lots of cheese. Tama-tama ngayon. Medyo nag-uulan. But if you're not a fan of cheese, I recommend the classic ramyun. Looks good as well. And then we have two kinds of tteokbokki. Yung classic and cheesy. And we also have the japchae and the odeng, and that very inviting broth. We're also gonna try the grilled mandu, probably after sips of the noodles. And then we have two kinds of bulgogi. This is pork bulgogi, and then this is beef bulgogi. Ito yung kanilang kimchi fried rice. Nagsisizzle-sizzle pa, and with perfect jiggly eggs. Ito yung kanilang veggie gimbap, and then ito yung cheese gimbap, which is veggie gimbap tapos nilagyan ng cheese. And this is the bulgogi gimbap. Ito naman yung kanilang jumokbap. Yeah, let's get started. Let's start with the odeng, which is the fish cake. Try it. First bite. Thank you, Lord. Tastes like high quality fish ball. Sarap, lalo na with the broth. As let's try the cheesy ramyun. Medyo malamig na. Sabi ng hawakan. But still, kitang-kita yung usok na yan. On a cold day like this is comfort food right here. Wow. A little bit spicy. Tapos a little bit salty from the cheese. Really nice. Let's try the tteokbokki. So ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-iconic na Korean street food, which is rice cake So ito yung classic, walang cheese. Let's try it. Chewy. Little bit spicy. This is very addicting. Ito yung very interested to try ako. Ito yung kanilang jumukbap. So rice balls. So meron sa loob na fried kimchi, and then tuna, and then egg. Let's try it. You know, the problem ng jumukbap as an appetizer, this is really heavy on the stomach. Tapos try natin yung grilled mandu. So ito yung Korean dim sum. Crunchy on the outside. Tapos sa loob, may meat and vegetables. Really good side dish. Try naman natin yung mga gimbap nila. So ito yung veggie. Yung veggie gimbap. Really clean tasting. Really fresh. Really refreshing. Let's try it. Ito yung veggie gimbap with the cheese. I like that one better. But only because I like cheese. Before we try the bulgogi, let's try the bulgogi gimbap. And then ito yung kanilang bibimbap. I'm seeing a lot of vegetables, rice, and nicely cooked egg. Okay, we're off to a good start as far as the appetizers are concerned, but we're not finished with the appetizer. We have japchae, our favorite side dish pag nagsasamgyupsal tayo. Nice. Nalo to ah. Let me try the pork bulgogi. So, thinly sliced pork, add rice. Humahangin ah. Yung bulgogi, a little bit sweet, but not too sweet. Nice. Nasa yung onion slices. Try natin yung beef naman. Sarap ng beef bulgogi. Buti na yung bulgogi served with rice. Perfect with rice talaga. Speaking of rice, let's try the kimchi rice. So you can see, napakarami nyo pwedeng itry dito sa Busan PH. And this is not even everything. Meron pa silang mga samgyupsal sets. Let's see kung tatry mo natin mamaya yan because this is a lot to take in. Let's try the kimchi rice with the egg. Mga gatong kain. Kailangan ng kutsarayan. Tapos yung kimchi rice nila, may mga pork slices din. Yung kimchi rice nila, not too overpowering do sa kimchi flavor. And let's try the bibimbap. Kung yung nakikita niyo pong kamay yun, kay Aisha yun. Sabi niya kanina, sasama pa ba? Wala naman ako makakain doon. Pero ang dami na niya nakain. Wala lang siya sa mood mag-vlog ngayon, kaya behind the scenes siya. Pero believe me, dami na niya nakain. Sabi niya siguro magsasamgyupsal lang ako. Nakikisabay sa akin ng kainan. Bibimbap, rice, egg, vegetables. What's not to love? Wow, na-try na natin lahat. Try pala natin yung yung ramyun without the cheese. Actually, between the two, mas gusto ko yung walang cheese. Dito sa ramen para lasang-lasa talaga yung broth. Ganda ng pagkaka-slice ng mga bulgogi. Thinly slice lang. Kaya naman yung lasa, noot na noot. I know, parang street food yung setup nila. Pero to, parang lagay mo sa isang Korean restaurant. Papasa to eh. So, probably itatry mo tong Busan PH because naging curious ka sa itsura niya. Nakita mo sa Facebook. Pag na-try mo yung food niya, yun ang magiging rason para balikan mo siya. Dito sa mga na-try ko. Kasi syempre, maganda i-try nyo lahat. But if you can only choose 3 siguro. Siguro itong odeng as your appetizer. Tapos as your main course, itong beef bulgogi. And then, itong ramyun na classic. Panalo na yan. But then again, we still have the tteokbokki na masarap din. So, ayun ang bahala. Tapos meron din sila samgyupsal. So, iba't iba. Pwedeng chicken, pwedeng pork, pwedeng beef. And if you can decide, just get the mixed. So, ito yung kanilang mix na samgyupsal. Meron chicken, pork, and beef. Meron rice, japchae, kimchi, and fish cake. Try na natin yung samgyupsal nila. So, yung pork muna. Yung mga meat nila, lightly seasoned lang. Kasi comes with sauce. Let's try the beef. Yung try natin yung chicken. Again, lightly seasoned lang. Kailangan nyo talaga i-dip. Yung samgyupsal naman. Itong beef ang marirecommend ko. So I've tried everything. And I'm finishing this meal with the beef bulgogi. So obviously, this is my favorite. So maraming pumupunta dito mga mga barkadaan, mga pamilya. Tapos bago sila umupo, ay papapicture muna sila doon sa tren. Again, maganda yung ambience. Cool, kakaiba. But at the end of the day, it's the food na magpapabalik sa akin dito. Hindi ko pa lang try yung kimchi nila. Try natin kung masarap na. That is nice kimchi. Sarap ng kimchi ah. I'm inviting everyone to come check out Busan PH here sa Malvar. Flash ko yung fan page nila dito. Ilagay ko yung link sa description box. Last bite. Thank you, Lord. That's it for today's vlog. Thank you for joining me. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. And if you did, make sure to click on the subscribe button and notification bell and watch my other vlog right here. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit.